Namaste all of you. Welcome back to Inspiring Math and Science. This is Soumya. Yeah, today in this class we are going to learn about 7th standard CBSE syllabus on the chapter symmetry. Okay? Yes. Today we'll learn this symmetry once again. Welcome back all of you to Inspiring Math and Science. Yes. Now, yes. I have taken this sheet. What is written on this? Alphabet A. We all are familiar with this still from our second or third year of our birth. Yes, na? Yeah. See here alphabet A is there. Here I am going to fold this paper like this, okay? Like vertically. Vertically means straight line, okay? Yeah. See, if I fold this paper, the letter A, here see, in this letter A, this side of the letter A is superimpose, or else this will flap on this side of the letter A. It means, see here, if I am going to fold this vertically, see, I hope so you can see this line. One side of the letter A is superimposed with the other side. Okay. This superimposition is called as symmetry, or else axis of symmetry, or else the line of symmetry. Okay. Yes. So many letters and the numbers may have line of symmetry, rotational symmetry, reflection symmetry and all. Okay. Yes. Now we learn that symmetry in this class in detail. Okay. Yeah. Here the rotational symmetry. Rotational symmetry is nothing but if an object or a letter or else a thing, whatever it may, if it takes how many in the 360-degree rotation. If it turn 360-degree rotation, clockwise rotation, how many times the object or else the letter will get its original shape within the rotation of 360-degree. Okay. Yes. An example I will take. Now I will take just the letter. Yes. Okay. Yes. Here see, this is the original position of the letter. Yes. Yes. Now I am going to turn this to 90 degree. 90 degree means this. This is 90 degree. Yes. If I turn this, what it will come? Yes, it will come like this. Okay. This is at 90 degree. Yes. Again, I am going to turn this to 180 degree. 180 degree means like this horizontally. Okay. 180. This is 90. Yes. If I turn this position will come to here and this will go through here. Again, it will get the original shape. Yes. After that, again I am going to turn this letter yes to 270 degree. 270 degree means like this. Okay. 270 degree. Here, if I turn this to 270, again it will get this shape. Yeah. Now, I am going to take this to the 360 degree. Okay. 360 degree. That is what? Here, 360 degree. Here, this is like this. S is like this. If I rotate this to 360, then what it would come? It will get the, again, original shape. It means what? If an object, if we take it as a vertically or horizontally, if an object or the thing or else the letter, how many times it will get its original shape with the rotation of 360 degree. It is called as rotational symmetry. Okay. It shows that the letter yes got 2 times its original shape when it rotate around the 360 degree. Okay. This is called rotational symmetry. Okay. How many times the letter or else the object will get or else the shape you can take. Okay. How many times the shape or else the letter will get its original position if it rotates around 360 degree. That is called as rotational symmetry. Let us see oval. Okay. Let us take oval. Yes. If I take oval, here see how many times does this oval can get its original position if it rotates to 360 degree. Obviously in 180 degree position and in 360 degree position means twice. Okay. This oval can get 2 times its original position when it rotates in 360 degree. Okay. Yes, here the oval has reflection symmetry. How many reflection symmetry? Reflection symmetry is nothing but the line of symmetry, axis of symmetry, what I told you first, that reflection symmetry is also 2 for oval. Here see, horizontally also we can get the reflection symmetry, or else we can simply call it as line of symmetry. Okay. And vertically also we can get the superimposition of both the sides. So here oval having reflection symmetry 2 on the same line, rotational symmetry of order 2, rotational symmetry of order 2. What is this? Oval. Okay. Yes. Now we'll take circle. Okay. Yeah. I'm going to take circle. Here you see. Yeah. Circle. If I see this object circle or the figure, here see circle, it is with the same distance from the center, okay, in all the side. Then we will get infinite number of rotational symmetry on this shaped circle. On the same line, we will get infinite line of symmetry also on this circle. See here, if I fold vertically also it will superimpose, and horizontally also it will superimpose, diagonally also it will superimpose. So the shape circle, or else the circle have infinite rotational symmetry and infinite line of symmetry. Both rotational symmetry of infinite, order infinite, okay, and reflection symmetry also infinite. We can take how many times we want to know, that many times we can take this. Yes, now I am taking the letter Z. We'll check how many line of symmetry and the rotational symmetry does this letter Z have. Okay, see, if I fold this letter Z to vertically also, it will not superimpose with its both sides. And if I cut this, or else if I fold this Z to horizontally also, it will not superimpose. And it means what? Line of symmetry is, the letter Z has line of symmetry, that is 0, and rotational symmetry, order of rotational symmetry, how much? Again 2. See here, this is the original position. If I take to 90 degree, it will not get its original position. But if I goes to 180, again it will get the original position. And on the same line by 360 degree also it will get the same position. So this letter Z is having 2 order of rotational symmetry. Order of rotational symmetry for the letter Z is 2 and line of symmetry is 0. Okay. Yes. Like that we'll take the letter H. Yes. Can you tell? Line of symmetry. How many? Horizontally 1 and the vertically 1. That is 2. And order of rotational symmetry for the letter H. How many times? Again twice. 2 times it will get the order of rotational symmetry. Yes. This circle, as I told you, line of symmetry also infinite, and on the same line rotational symmetry also infinite for the shape circle. Circle is having line of symmetry infinite and order of rotational symmetry also infinite. Okay. It means the shape circle, the circle is having infinite line of symmetry and infinite order of rotational symmetry. Yes, like this we'll take 1 or 2 other shapes. Yeah, we'll take 1 or 2 other shapes to see this order of symmetry and line of symmetry. Order of symmetry is nothing but order of rotational symmetry. Okay. Yes. Now I am taking rectangle. Okay. Yes. I am taking this rectangle. Yes. Can you just tell me what is the order of symmetry and the line of symmetry? Here see, horizontally and vertically means the line of symmetry is 2, and on the same line order of rotational symmetry also 2, means which will get the original shape in 180 and 360 degrees. So, line of symmetry, 2, same line, order of rotational symmetry also 2. Okay, yes. Now, we'll take square. Yes, this is square. Here, vertically 1, horizontally 1, both the diagonally 1. Means 4. Means the square is having 4 line of symmetry and 4 line of order of rotational symmetry. Line of symmetry also 4 for the square and order of rotational symmetry also 4 for the shape square. Yes. Now, we'll take this triangle. Okay, we'll take the triangle. Yes, this by seeing its shape only we can tell. Line of symmetry also 3 and the order of rotational symmetry also 3. Line of symmetry 3 on the same line. Order of rotational symmetry also 3 for triangle. Here, just to keep in your mind, line of symmetry, order of rotational symmetry around 360 degree. Okay, line of symmetry simple. If you fold an object to its vertical or horizontal line, if it superimpose with the sides of its position, then we can call it as a line of symmetry. Some letters or as the shape may have both the line of symmetry, vertically also, horizontally also, and few objects they may does not have the horizontal line of symmetry. Only the vertical line of symmetry they may have. Okay, and some may have only the horizontal symmetry, but they don't have the vertical line of symmetry. Example is E for this, and A is an example for which line of symmetry does the letter A is having? This is vertical line of symmetry. Okay, vertically if I fold this letter, then we will get a straight line by folding the both sides of this letter A. And vertical line of symmetry, the letter E is having. Okay, like horizontally if you fold that, it will to superimpose its both the sides. Yes, same like that this order of rotational symmetry. Order of rotational symmetry means an object how many times or else how many number of times an object gets its original position in the rotation of 360 degree. Just to keep in your mind, they may ask shapes or else numbers or else some of the letters. Just to keep in your mind line of symmetry, either this is vertical or horizontal, and on the same line order of rotational symmetry. Yeah. Thanks for watching our video. If you like our video, kindly share and subscribe our channel. If it is useful, kindly share to your friends and family. Kindly subscribe our channel Inspiring Math and Science. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you so much.